Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the Ministry of Education is insisting that there is no need for alarm amid concerns that the teacher shortage is worsening. The ministry called a press briefing earlier today where it also insisted that measures are being put in place to cushion the impact of teacher migration on the education sector.
Teachers wanted, an ongoing problem as experienced educators continue to leave the profession for greener pastures. At a press briefing on Thursday, Minister with Responsibility for Education Karl Samuda said between September 2019 and February 2020, more than 300 teachers resigned.
We have had 390 resignations. Now, that on the face of it may seem very alarming, but when one considers that we have a total teaching population of just under 24,000. This amount comprises about 1.6%.
While admitting that schools have been impacted, Mr. Samuda says the situation isn't at a level where the Ministry of Education needs to be alarmed. He pointed to measures which have been put in place to cushion the fallout, which includes the engagement of part-time teachers, the use of videotaped lessons, and retired teachers are now returning to the classroom.
So far, 51 teachers have been re-engaged.
Again, math and science teachers are in demand. It appears that despite previous efforts to provide incentives, there continues to be a gap. According to Mr. Samuda, the ministry has awarded some 709 math and science pre-service scholarships since 2015 at a cost of $601 million. Last year, 217 students graduated and entered the system, with an additional 273 scheduled to graduate in 2020.
The budget for 2020-21 of $70 million provides scholarships for teacher training. The ministry plans to spend $360 million over the next 3 years, funding an additional 300 teachers. To some, it's an intimidating area within the teaching profession. And teachers with aptitude enjoy it. Others are disinclined to engage in maths and sciences.
In addition to taking up opportunities overseas, teachers have also left the profession entirely.